Hey, we're here at a property refurbishment in Greenwich that we're helping our clients with. So I'll show you around before we start works and gutting out, just show you the place. So in here we have our kitchen area. So this was previously rented out to a housing association. The landlord hasn't really taken too much care of it. It's been a bit run down and we're going to do full gut out of the property. So ripping out this kitchen, solving some leaks that we have coming in from outside and upstairs. And just make it a lovely kitchen in here. Moving on, so we're in a basement, so flooring, we're going to insulate the flooring, get some new floorboards in as well. In here as well, this is the living room, fully refurbed, sort out this damp leak that we have, probably be some damp proofing as well. Might try and save some of the skirting boards if we can. The landlord haven't got a big budget. And through here to the bedroom. And they have some damp in this area, so we're sorting out some damp proofing around this window. And lastly, bathroom here. This is where we get the main leak from upstairs. So we need to really gut it out and start from scratch in there. Put a lovely brand new full suite in after sorting out the leak. So yeah, gonna make it look nice. Stay tuned.